Hello everyone, welcome back to FixAge. This is a quick tutorial about how to rename your PC in Windows 11 in just couple of clicks. So without further delay, let's get started. First, click on the Start menu and open the Settings. Here it is. In the Settings window, on the left side, look for System. Click on that. So then come to the right side and scroll down. There will be an option About. Click on that. Here you will see an option called Rename this PC. Here it is. Currently it is some desktop iPhone PNE 5K7 something. So click on this Rename this PC. Name it according to your need. I'll name as my laptop and click on next. Windows will ask you to restart your PC for the changes to take effect. Click on restart now, or if you want to restart later, just click on restart later and close the window. After restarting, changes will take effect. You'll see the new Windows name. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more quick fixes. Thank you for watching.